Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Airbnb notification settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This is where you can access all your personal account settings and preferences. Once you're in your profile, look for and tap on Account Settings. This section contains all the important controls for managing how your Airbnb account operates, including privacy, security, and communication preferences. Next, tap on Notifications. This is the central hub where you can customize exactly how and when Airbnb communicates with you. It's really useful because it lets you control what kind of alerts you receive and through which channels, whether that's email, push notifications, text messages, or phone calls. Now you'll see various notification categories listed on your screen. You can turn different notification settings on and off based on your preferences. Each category is designed to keep you informed about different aspects of your Airbnb experience, but you have full control over what you actually want to receive. For example, if you're on Hosting Insights and Rewards, you'll notice an option called Recognition and Achievements. Tap Edit beside it to customize this specific notification type. Once you're in, you'll see toggle buttons for email, push notifications, SMS, and phone calls. Simply tap these toggles to enable or disable each communication method according to what works best for you. This way, you only get notified through the channels you actually check regularly. You can repeat this exact same process to adjust all your notification settings across different categories. You'll find options like Insights and Tips, which provides helpful suggestions for improving your hosting. There's also pricing trends and suggestions to help you optimize your listing rates, hosting perks to inform you about special benefits, news and updates to keep you current with platform changes, and local laws and regulations to ensure you stay compliant with your area's requirements. And there are many more categories you can customize to fit your needs perfectly. And that's it. You've now tailored your Airbnb notifications exactly how you want them, so you'll only receive the information that matters most to you through your preferred channels. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.